Hey guys, I am beyond stoked to be launching a digital course for product photography, idea creation, colorful set design, and styling with Moodelier to teach you my behind-the-scenes process for taking an idea and making it come to life. I've worked with all sorts of national and global brands, crafting a blend of creative, vibrant, conceptual shots and elevated still life photographs. In this course, we're creating a rad 90s vibe skincare design with iridescent hues, colorful styling pieces, and a touch of botanical elements. I'm covering everything from how to come up with an idea that authentically stands out, to figuring out actionable steps to bring it to life, executing that idea on shoot day, styling a scene, and all the in-betweens. This course is designed to give you real-world insight into the world of commercial photography with practical information that you'll be able to actually use in personal creative projects or photo projects with a brand. If you're a creative soul or photographer and you're interested in learning how to come up with ideas for a project, steps to make it happen, or how I style my shots, sign up for this course, which comes bundled with several other incredible courses from talented photographers around the country. By signing up through this link, you'll also get an exclusive discount to use on Moodelier's product launch. Enrollment will only be open for 2 weeks, so sign up right now to secure your course collection.